Hello friends, welcome to this April edition of Monthly Viewpoints. After the COVID-led sharp correction in March 20, equity markets have gradually recouped the losses led by policy measures by governments and central banks as well as better than expected corporate earnings. With 76% returns in US dollar terms, the Nifty has been amongst the best performing markets globally in FY21, beating even the Nasdaq. In India, equity returns are amongst the best in 3 decades, and mid and small caps have significantly outperformed large caps. The theme of FY21 was high beta, cyclicals, and value. Sectors such as metals, auto, IT, realty, and cat goods outperformed, while quality and defensive themes, which were the flavor of the past few years, took a breather. The global economy continues to show a broad-based recovery. Global manufacturing PMIs have surged to a 15-year high, trade momentum is strong, and emerging markets are seeing a recovery in their exports and capex cycle. In the US, bond yields are rising, and futures are pricing in a faster and sharper rise in US rates. However, the Fed is standing firm on its projection of rates remaining close to zero for the next 3 years. In India, high-frequency indicators such as GST collections, power demand, and exports show that the V-shaped recovery is on track. RBI is expected to keep rates on hold and continue with an accommodative stance to support the economic recovery. We are seeing a rise in new COVID cases in India, leading to localized restrictions, which is impacting the market sentiment. However, vaccinations are progressing on track, which should help to mitigate that risk. Also, the restrictions are still local in nature and mainly for contact-intensive services sector, while most parts of the economy, such as agriculture, manufacturing, and some kinds of services, will remain unaffected. This should help cushion the impact on overall economic growth. On the earnings front, corporate India has surmounted the challenges posed by with unprecedented cost containment measures leading to better than expected earnings recovery. Localized restrictions due to rising COVID cases and higher commodity prices could have a short-term impact on corporate profitability. However, earnings momentum is expected to sustain with further revival in the economy and the benefit of a low base. Coming to valuations, headline valuation multiples seem rich but can remain elevated versus long-term averages due to the high liquidity. Continuing earnings upgrades and low real and nominal rates should support equity valuations. An environment of high global liquidity is driving strong FPI flows, and India saw the highest ever FPI inflow of $37.5 billion in FY21. This should provide support to equity markets. Overall, fairly well, and we continue to see quick sector rotation into global cyclicals such as IT and metals. Although short-term upside may be limited, any correction would be temporary and minor. Given that we are in the early stages of an economic recovery, vaccinations are progressing on track, monetary and fiscal policy remains supportive, earnings rebound has been sharp, relative valuations are still favorable, and FII flows continue to be strong, our view remains that the rally in equity markets should continue in the medium to long term. Many investors may have missed the recent rally. The ongoing correction can give them a good opportunity to add equities to their portfolio. In terms of asset allocation, equities continue to look attractive relatively on a risk-reward basis, and we maintain our overweight to equities. We offer a basket of suitable funds for investors to choose from. Thank you and happy investing.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.